Another great fire starter is charcoal, but this stuff's soaking wet, so we're gonna dry it out. There you go, that works real good. Also use your stove to dry out other pieces of wood. Oh, I'm out of water. Luckily around here there is no short supply of water. If the water you're filtering out has a lot of sediment, it'll gum up your filter really quick. So I use the carrying case for my water filter to kind of do an initial screening. The carrying case will filter out all the sand and sticks and other things. I just hang up the dirty water and gravity pulls it through a filter, down the hose, and fills up my water bottle. All right, let's go and pinch it off. Rumor has it there's brook trout in this lake, and I haven't caught a brook trout in a long time. I got my rod rigged up with a little fly. It's got a black leech with a gold bead on it. I don't know a ton about this lake, but most lakes like this in Alaska have leeches in it, and trout love to eat leeches. I think I want to bring a hot water bottle with me fishing, but I don't want to sit and wait for a pot to boil on my stove. Woo! Yeah, that's toasty. Oh, that feels nice. Well, the fishing isn't going great. The rain's picking up and I'm soaked to the bone. I think I might head back. I am soaking wet and very cold. My hot water bottle has lost its oomph. I think I need to do something to warm myself up. And I got an idea. Oh, all right, let's get warm. I'm starting to regret my idea. Oh. Okay, half of me is being boiled alive, half of me is freezing to death. And there's just a little bit of sweet spot. Ah, okay. Well, I think I've got the temperature dialed in pretty good. That hot water pipe is just a touch too hot, so I got a little bit of that warm waterfall coming in, mixing with it. Just perfect. Between the hiking and the canoeing, I'm a little bit sore. This is nice. Oh.